Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload and share files to Google Drive. To upload files to Google Shared Drive from Android device is quite similar to uploading files to Shared Drive from iPhone. Follow these steps. Open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Navigate to the Shared Drives and open a Google Shared Drive. Then, tap on plus and upload. Now, select the files you want to upload and tap on upload to add files to shared drive folder. And that's all. Since shared Google Drive in Google Workspace is such a powerful tool for team collaboration of a company and school, you and your team may benefit a lot from uploading files to shared Google Drive. Files in a shared Google Drive belong to the team but not to individuals. So if someone leaves the team, files will remain in this shared Google Drive. A person with access permission can access shared drive files even if he is outside of your company or organization. Team members can access the shared Google Drive securely according to different permissions which they have. A new member of your team can easily access Google Shared Drive files and folders without being shared files piece by piece. By uploading work documents to shared drive, you put double security to these important files. Now, if you're wondering how to upload files to shared Google Drive, you can take a careful look at the clear instructions in this video. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.